So, hello everyone again, and welcome back to my CVAP Week 3 vlog. So, this week po has been another exciting and insightful journey for me as a certified voice artist in the making. So, praying lang po talaga na makagraduate. So, ayun po. So, we had two amazing sessions. One about voice care with Doc Ani, of course, and another about dubbing, parang dubbing po, with Miss Donna. So, for our morning session, we had a really interesting discussion po with Doc Ani about how to take care of our voice. And honestly po, naging eye-opener talaga siya for me kasi ako po talaga, to be honest, madalas po ako nagkakaproblema sa po as may acid reflux po kasi ako or GERD, so there are times na parang napapaos po ako or nawawala yung boses ko, yung clarity, especially when I eat or drink food that triggers my acid reflux. So Doc On explained to us the importance of vocal hygiene, then avoiding foods and drinks that are harmful to the voice and staying hydrated, of course. I'm so sorry. She also mentioned that dehydration po is the number one enemy of our voice din daw po. So we need to drink a lot of water regularly. And sa voice artist, I'm not sure pero parang nabasa ko 18 glasses pag voice artist ka. So during the talk po, I realized na guilty talaga ako sa ilang bawal, like sa coffee, spicy food, and sweets. Kasi I super love spicy foods, like as in talaga, and chocolates din. Pero now that I learned that they can actually harm my voice, ngayon nararamdaman ko na kasi nakakain naman po ako ng maanghang. So, diba? That's definitely something I'll work on. And from now on, I'll try to be more disciplined po in taking care of my voice. Although kanina, kumain na naman akong bawal, pero yun. For the afternoon session, this topic, parang nakapick talaga ng interest ko kasi about dubbing and super fun. And for me, dubbing po kasi has always been something I wanted to try sa voice artistry. Siguro kasi I love watching Tagalog dub K-dramas and movies, and I think it's so cool how voice artists or actors can bring characters alive using their voice. So, we were given the chance to dub sa mga scene po ng movies. Like sa Philippine movie scene that we had to dub in English, and another English scene to be dubbed in Tagalog. So, for my part po, I tried dubbing a scene by Miss Judy Ann Santos, and it was both fun and challenging. Pero hindi lang po ako 100% satisfied sa ginawa ko kasi nga, ayun po, may internet issues din po that time, sobrang hina ng internet connection ko. So, sabi nga po ni Miss Donna, parang hindi na ako marinig masyado kasi nga, yung internet connection ko talaga ang problem. Pero yun, it was such a good experience hearing myself voice a character or basta ganun, even for a short while. So, the activity po really tested not just our technical skills, but also our creativity, timing, and emotional delivery. So, after that session, I felt even more motivated po to practice din and improve sana because I think dubbing is something I want to pursue then or matry, ma-explore sa voice artistry. So, ayun, overall naman po, week 3 ay punong-puno ng lessons, realizations, at syempre nakaka-inspire. Sorry. Pasensya nyo na lang po yung aking face and energy ngayon kasi antok na po talaga ako. Pero sige lang po for the vlog, for a vloggeries. Ayun, thank you po for watching my week 3 vlog. See you in the next one. And remember, always to take care of your voice. Sabi nga sa CVAP, your voice matters. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for bye-bye.